Here 14th term of AP is twice the 8th term. So 14th term is written as A plus 13D, and 8th term is written as A plus 7D. Now this 14th term is twice, so we will put a 2 here, then these two are equal. Now solving this, we will get A plus 13D is equals to 2A plus 14D. Now solving this, we'll get A equals to minus D. So, and if sixth term is minus 8, sixth term is what? A plus 5D is our sixth term, which is equals to minus 8. Putting A is equals to minus D. So minus D plus 5D is equals to minus 8, which is what? 4D equals to minus 8. D equals to minus 2. So we have A equals to 2. And we have to find out the sum of first 20 terms. So S20, we know that Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So putting these in here, we will get S20 equals to 10 plus 2a plus 19d. 10 and a is what? 2. 2 into 2 is 4, and d is what? Minus 2. So this is minus 38. So our answer is minus 340. So our required answer is minus 340.